Just be happy, and if you can't be happy, do things that make you happy, or do nothing with the people that make you happy. Esther Art. Welcome to my channel Muskan Voice 786. Today we are going to share some inspirational quotes with you. Nobody can make you happy until you are happy with yourself first. Make time for yourself and your skin. If it makes you happy, it doesn't have to make sense to others. I will not lose, for even in defeat there is valuable lesson learned, so it evens up for me. Jay-Z. What you make do a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. Jane Goodall. Do it because it makes you happy. It is never too late to be who you might have been. George Eliot. Work hard in silence. Let your success be your noise. Anonymous. Living is the art of getting used to what we did not expect. Eleanor C. Wood. Act as if what you do makes a difference. It does. William James. It always seems impossible until it's done. Nelson Mandela. When you have a dream, you have got to grab it and never let go. Carol Burnett. You can't cross the sea merely by standing and starting at the water. Rabindranath Tagore. The important thing in life is to have a great aim and the determination to attain it. Be there for the others, but never leave yourself behind. Dodinsky. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. Charles R. Swindoll. Out of the mountain of despair, a stone of hope. Martin Luther King. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says I am possible. Audrey Hepburn. You must have a level of discontent to feel the urge of want to grow. If you want to lift yourself up, lift up someone else. Booker T. Washington. It is often the small steps, not the giant leaps, that bring about the most lasting change. HRM Queen Elizabeth. Tough times never last, but tough people do. Robert H. There is always light if only we are brave enough to see it. If only we are brave enough to be it. Amanda Gorman. To find such this type of quotes, please visit our channel Muskan Voice 786.